Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, so for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking few cards. So, for your general energies, these are the cards. This is for your relationship, and this one for your career situation, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Sagittarius, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this gentle guidance. So you can stay tuned for that, guys. That may answer some questions you have in your mind or clear your doubts. So you can watch that will follow this general guidance, Sagittarius. So let's start with these cards. We have Eight of Suns in reverse, Sun, and Ace of Moons in reverse. So in your circumstances, guys, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. You are someone who is who is really talented, skilled. You are in a good place today, and maybe the people around you, they are quite envious of you, guys. They are jealous, and they are creating some kind of a circumstance, a negative circumstance for you. So it may be people in your work situation, and this jealousy or these arguments or some negative situation are the reason for you missing certain opportunities. Maybe you are unable to cope up with the stress you feel in your circumstances today, guys. And maybe these people, maybe your colleagues or the people who work for you. So few opportunities are lost in your work situation. So you feel you are simply regretting these circumstances. You are wishing that things were different, and you feel lost, and it is giving you a lot of worries about what has happened. So things of the past are not going to make any difference today, guys. Maybe you are simply wishing and hoping that things were different in this love, in this situation both of you had. So this negative circumstance is causing a lot of pain today. And maybe for some of you in your relationship, guys, you are just thinking and rethinking about what has happened. Maybe some arguments or some negative situation. Maybe you felt jealous with this person or they felt jealous towards you, and that would have been the reason for some troubles you had in this relationship. And today you are regretting what has happened in your life, guys. In your relationship, you are simply wishing that things were different in your love situation, Sagittarius. So for some of you, though you have love on this person, maybe because of these negative emotions involved, some kind of jealousy or envy, this relationship may not work, guys, for some of you all. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. So it is Knight of Suns. So with this card, guys, in your relationship, maybe things are still uncertain. You don't know what will work or what will come out of this situation today. Maybe it is the time you need to be really patient, wait and hold on. But this card here, guys, it's a very positive card. So maybe your circumstances may change, guys. If you can hold on, if you can wait, there will be change in your relationship. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It is Page of Sons in reverse. So in your career situation, guys, maybe you are or you were facing some difficulties. You were what to say, the victim of some kind of jealousy or envy. We were speaking about that. So someone is really envious and they are trying to change the situation, trying to take control of your situation, maybe telling you some things or trying to control your actions or decisions. That may be the reason uh, you are made to make the wrong choices today in your career. That is the reason for some failures or financial loss you may see in your work situation, guys, Sagittarius. So if you know who it is, if you know that you cannot trust someone, you must stay away from them and you should not listen to this person, Sagittarius. So that is what I see with these cards, Sagittarius. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. If this reading resonates and if you like it, please like and comment, guys. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start with the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. So we will see what it is. For those who chose this first card, we have Dawn, the golden hat. So in your circumstances today, guys, you are making a lot of efforts and it is something difficult, but you are someone dedicated and devoted, and your devotion and dedication is bringing you the rewards, guys, and very soon. So some of us may feel that we do so much but the returns are not good. We work so hard but what we get is nothing matching to what we did. But you need to understand that hard work will never go for waste, guys, and patience is what is called for today in your circumstances. So you are going to be really recognized for your devotion and dedication and true love. If you have true love on this person and if they also have true love, so whatever obstacles you are facing, you both are facing today in your love situation is coming to an end, guys, and your good work or your good deeds will always be rewarded. You can have trust on that, guys. You can be rest assured. So whatever you do, whatever good things you do will always be rewarded, and whatever you do, being responsible, devoted, dedicated in your work or in your personal life, your dedication is going to change your circumstances. Maybe It will change even the difficult circumstances into something beautiful. So things will change around if you have positive intentions and if you do your duty with that patience and with that conviction and devotion. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So good things are coming towards you, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, we have an angel card, guys. So whenever we have an angel card, it just means that angels are here with us, guiding us today in our day-to-day activities. So with this card, it just means that we are not aware of beauty or happiness in our circumstances, guys. So this angel card is about that. It helps us to find joy in our own circumstances, seeing the beauty of the world around us. And beauty is is a unique form of creative expression, guys. So maybe sometimes we are often so busy, or we see so much ugliness and sadness in our world around us, around the people we meet, or in the experiences that come to our life. We rarely appreciate, or we rarely pause to see the things that are beautiful in our situation. Maybe the in our day-to-day struggles, or in our anxiety or stress, we often lose that awareness to see our circumstances and see where we are and appreciate the things that we have. So it may be a child's smiling face, or a butterfly fluttering around, whatever it is, or a tree moving in that mild wind. So whatever it is, things of beauty around us, the nature we have around us, we rarely appreciate all those things, guys. So when we do that, it simply, when we appreciate this beauty around us, it simply inspires us, makes us refreshed, and it gives us inspiration and that positive energy. So lack of inspiration is the reason for our situation, guys. We feel lot stressed, and we feel cornered, or we feel let down in some ways. So inspiration is the key thing needed in our day-to-day life. So this card stands for that, and it stands for getting inspired with our surroundings. So this angel card assists us in that, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So it simply opens us. When we feel inspired, we are open to new ideas and opportunities in our life. So that is the energy with this card. And that is the reading for you all today, guys, with these cards. I hope you like this reading. If you like, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So thank you, guys. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.